Hey y'all, welcome back to this channel. This here is Portie's garage. As you can see, we are not in Portie's garage, we're actually on top of Portie's garage. You're at brother-in-law Mick's. Like I said, you never know what you're gonna get. So as you can see, I've been cleaning out these gutters. And what's worse than cleaning out gutters? Not much. Man, with the amount of leaves, with all the trees that we have here, I'm doing this 3-4 times a year, twice in the spring, and probably once in the summer. So I think what I'm going to try to do today is I saw these guys, just gutter guards at Home Depot. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon. We'll see if we can find a link. And they're supposed to install and slide up under your shingles to hold them, and they clip in under the front edge, which is nice. But I'm not pushing this up under the shingle because the starter strip with the sealant there, I don't want to do that. I get a lot of wind on the other side of the house. This side's not that bad. So one of the things I'm looking at doing today is just taking these, turn them around, push them back. So that's about where I'm going to want to start it. And let's get the old pen and just mark right along the outside edge here. So that'll be big, and then I also want to mark where the inside edge is on the ends, because I may want to cut it a little shorter. So I've got those marked. So first I'm going to try cutting halfway between those two marks. And let's see what happens. So here's my first mark right here. Second mark is there. I'm going to go right in between. I'm going to pick the top of this diamond. And as you can see, they cut pretty easy with the scissors. Once you get it started, it's pretty easy. Just make sure you follow that same line. All right, let's just take this, I'll throw that in the ground, get it later. Let's see how this installs here. So make sure you get up underneath the shingles. There's a couple there. The only thing I think is gonna happen, I'm not gonna like, is it's gonna belly down instead of up. Yeah, and you can see in between the supports it bellies down. So I also brought, I'm gonna need a hook. This is not gonna get up under here. No, I'll get it a little bit. That's not bad. All right, so that's pretty tight. It's not going to blow off. Let's just see how many leaves we hold here. So I've got more of these. I've only got 3 to test because I got my shed I want to do, and I've also got my screen and porch over there that I'm going to do later. So I'm going to test those out too, but quick, easy way to install the leaf guard on your gutter without going up underneath your shingles. So make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to Portie's Garage. Thanks for watching.